Is it possible to view someone's WhatsApp status secretly?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting topic. Can you view someone's WhatsApp status secretly? Is it possible to do it without the other person knowing? Let's explore this question and find out more.
What is WhatsApp status?
First, a quick introduction to WhatsApp status for those unfamiliar. WhatsApp status is a feature that lets users share text, photos, videos, and GIFs with their contacts that disappear after 24 hours. The catch? Normally, when you view someone's status, your name appears on the list of people who have seen it.
Can you view someone's WhatsApp status secretly?
The short answer is yes, it is possible, but it requires some steps to be taken. To do this, you have to disable the Read Receipts option in your account settings. This option, when turned off, makes you invisible when you view other people's status updates. However, it's important to note that this also means you won't be able to see who has viewed your status updates either. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open WhatsApp. 2. Go to Settings. 3. Click on Account. 4. Click on Privacy. 5. Turn off the Read Receipts. Remember to turn Read Receipts back on if you want to see who has viewed your status updates.
What are the implications?
While this might sound exciting to some, it's essential to remember the ethical implications involved. Privacy is a fundamental right, and it's crucial to respect each other's digital spaces. Use this knowledge responsibly and never infringe on someone's privacy. There you have it, folks. You now know how to view a WhatsApp status secretly. However, remember that with knowledge comes responsibility. Always respect others' privacy and use this feature wisely and ethically. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay savvy.